Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the system software on your Samsung tablet. So if you just swipe down from the top right, you can go to Settings. Now, a lot of times, if you got the automatic updates on, you'll just notice that it's going to automatically update, and it'll provide you the option in the top left to update it. It says Update Postponed, because I stopped it. And then we have the option for software update right here. And we can go to Restart Now, and we can go about that software update. So you can look for it under here. If you don't see it, you can look under maybe like General Management if there's an update option under here. I don't see anything. Then About Tablet, there might be a software update right here. Okay, here there it is. We can check for updates too. And then I just go to Restart Now. Now we can go to the Google Play Store as well. And we can check for updates under here for our applications. So just go to your top right profile picture. Looks like my tablet is going to update, but there should be an option to update your applications under your profile on the Google Play Store.